Welcome to this training session on how to locate mathematical formulas. Locate the instructions for performing mathematical operations such as determining square root. FAA Handbook 8083-30A has a section on mathematical operations. Chapter 3 covers the information you need. Page 3-13 covers square roots and others. But 3-16 has a helpful table. The table has an extensive list of numbers that allow for quick reference. But keep in mind that the FAA allows the use of calculators. Make sure you have one and know how to use it. This is an example of an app on a cell phone. Here is an example of how to calculate a number of different square roots on this calculator. This concludes this training session. We hope you found it useful.